Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your spending power with Amex Platinum, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase your spending power with the Amex Platinum card, begin by understanding its benefits. Familiarize yourself with the card's core reward structure. Earn 5 membership rewards points for flights booked directly with airlines or on Amex Travel. Receive 5 points for prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. Maximize rewards on everyday purchases by using the card at restaurants, grocery stores, and select retailers. Take advantage of the annual $200 airline fee credit. Use this benefit for incidentals like checked baggage fees and in-flight purchases. Enroll in the Amex Concierge Service. This service provides personalized assistance and helps you secure reservations and experiences. Utilize the complimentary access to airport lounges. Check out lounges such as Centurion, Priority Pass, and Delta Sky Club for a premium travel experience. Leverage the unique hotel benefits through the Fine Hotels and Resorts program. Enjoy perks like room upgrades, daily breakfast for 2, and late checkout at participating hotels. Explore the Amex Offers program. Look for special promotions and cashback options that can enhance your spending power. Consider the various travel insurance benefits offered. These can protect your purchases and travel investments, providing peace of mind that extends your financial capabilities. Stay informed about new rewards categories and offers. Regularly check the Amex website and app for updates and personalized deals. Pay off your balance in full each month. This practice maintains your credit score and keeps your spending power intact. Keep track of your spending with Amex's tools. Utilize expense tracking to manage and optimize your expenditures wisely. Engage with the American Express community. Participate in forums, often filled with tips and shared experiences from other cardholders. Use the card for business expenses if applicable. This can help amplify your rewards and spending power as you incur more costs. Take full advantage of promotions during special events or seasons for bonus points. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.